Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Josh Just Coding. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the Spawn AI from class node, so let's hop straight on into it. What I've gone ahead and done is set up a empty actor, which I'll use to demonstrate this node. So we can look for Spawn AI from class. And we'll just go ahead and hook this up to begin play. And now we can take a look at the node itself. So, right off the bat, we have a pawn class. Now this is the class of the AI you're going to try and spawn in. Now it's important that it says pawn class because a pawn is what allows it to, well, run logic. It's what allows it to be an AI. If you are familiar with the spawn actor from class node, you'll know that it is an actor and not a pawn, which makes it so you can't spawn AI from it. So it's being a pawn is very important. And what I've done is I've just created a BP spawn AI example. This is just an example character that I created. And on that note, it doesn't have to be a pawn. It can also be a character as a child of a pawn. So we then have a behavior tree. A behavior tree is essentially a way of executing logic for the AI. I have a separate video on that if you want to check it out. I won't cover it in this video because it is quite complex. But essentially, if you have a behavior tree that you want your enemy to run when it spawns in, you can select it in here. We then have a location. This is the location it will spawn in from. This is then the rotation it will spawn in with. You have this no collision fail checkbox, which essentially means if it should spawn in even if there is collision blocking it. You then get a return value, which is the reference to the newly spawned pawn. So I'm just going to go ahead and pass in get actor location, just so we spawn in our character from the location of our spawn AI from class example. And I will then create a variable, and I'll just call this test location. I'll make this a vector, and then just to show you that you can in fact spawn AI, functioning AI, I'll then call simple move to location. The controller will be get AI controller. So we're getting the controller of the newly spawned AI. And we'll just pass in a test location. And I'll just set this to be, I don't know, 250, 250, I guess. So we're going to spawn in our AI. And then just to show that it is a functional AI, we'll have it move to this random location. Now let me just make sure that I have a nav mesh in the level. I don't. So let me just quickly add this nav mesh bounds volume, which of course is required for AI to be able to move around. Let me just adjust the size of it real quick. And we are good to test this out. So I'll spawn in the AI right here. And we will watch it work. So we spawn in the AI, and you can see it moves to 200, 200, just like we say to. We can adjust the location a bit more, just so you can see it better. We'll do 750, 750. And you can see we spawn in our AI, and it moves to 750, 750. So that's going to do it for today's video. If it did help you guys, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. With that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and good luck with your games.